Have you ever noticed that some retail environments just feel effortless? It's the colors, the textures, the finishes, every detail just comes together to feel intentional. That's exactly what Senza's newest store concept actually set out to achieve. Now, it was originally designed by Malherbe Paris, and this new concept moved the brand away from the darker, more theatrical look it was once known for, and it introduces a lighter, softer, more contemporary shopping experience. But bringing that European vision to the Canadian market, it required so much more than manufacturing alone, because it really meant adapting European design, material, and color specifications. And it also meant refining the construction details, developing prototypes, and really value engineering every fixture to be ready for future rollout. So whether it's the sculptural display tables, the custom metal merchandising racks, or we're looking at the integrated storage and the beautifully detailed checkout experience, every fixture really had to look exceptional. It has to stand up to everyday use. And again, it has to be ready for that future rollout. Now, we've shared the full story, including design details, key manufacturing decisions, and a ton of project photos over at Canada'sBestStoreFixtures.com. Canada's Best Store Fixtures, we bring retail strategies to life.